Understanding Conservation Focus, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very important and relevant topic, conservation focus. Understanding this phrase not only helps us enhance our vocabulary but also connects us to a broader conversation about the environment and our planet. So, let's explore what conservation focus means and why it's significant for us all. Conservation focus is made up of two key words, conservation and focus. Let's break them down. Conservation refers to the act of preserving, protecting, or restoring the natural environment and its wildlife. It involves efforts to maintain and safeguard the Earth's resources for future generations. Focus means the center of interest or activity. It's where attention is concentrated. When combined, conservation focus refers to prioritizing and dedicating efforts towards environmental conservation. It's about making the protection and preservation of the natural world a central goal. To better understand how conservation focus is applied, let's look at some examples. Wildlife conservation, protecting endangered species and their habitats to prevent extinction. Forest conservation, efforts to preserve forests and prevent deforestation, which is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and combating climate change. Water conservation, initiatives to save water resources and ensure sustainable water use for the future. These examples highlight how conservation focus can vary but always aims at protecting our planet's natural resources. Why is having a conservation focus important? There are several reasons. Sustainability ensures that natural resources are used in a way that meets our current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Biodiversity helps maintain a wide variety of plants and animals that contribute to a healthy ecosystem. Climate change mitigation. Conservation efforts can play a key role in reducing the impacts of climate change by preserving forests and other ecosystems that absorb carbon dioxide. In essence, a conservation focus helps us protect the Earth's natural beauty and resources, ensuring a healthy and sustainable environment for all. I hope this video has shed some light on what conservation focus means and why it's a vital concept for us today. By understanding and applying this phrase, we can all contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly world. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to learn and grow together in our English language journey. See you in the next video.